these days we have started the second session and we are in chapter number 8, that is algebraic expression. And with that we have completed exercise 1, 2, 3 and now we are going to start exercise number 8, 8.4. Yes, now we are going to solve the questions with this formula. But what I have prepared is this one, algebraic expression along with the questions. This is for those students who have a phobia with the formulae. So this is layman can also solve this question. Okay. So now, as we have already studied about this algebraic expression, algebraic identities, you all can see a plus b square, a minus b whole square, a plus b, a minus b. Okay, a square minus b square. Student, can you tell me a plus b whole square, the identity?
A square plus 2ab plus b square.
Yes. Let's keep this aside. What's this? I have prepared some variables, number and this expressions of. This is operations also, that is plus, minus and all. And along with this I have prepared bracket also. Now let's solve this question. As I already told you, this is not going to solve with the formulae. This is going to solve with the layman method that others can also. Here first what we have to do is we have to write this question one more time. For this I have made a chart. So first we have arranged this one, 2x plus 5 is done. Now give me bracket sign first. Bracket sign. Next one, give me 4x. 4x. Give me minus sign. Next one, give me 3. Okay, bracket close. Now for this we have to solve, okay, with the help of this chart and all, and we will solve with these sheets also. Now let's multiply this binomial. Okay, this one is binomial. So first what we have to do is the rules is like this. 2x. With this 2x we have to multiply 4x. Now again we have to multiply 2x with 3 also. So now first one, 2x into 4, how much we will get?
8x square.
8x square. Now put the sheets, this denotes square. Okay. Now next one, plus, minus, minus sign. Next one, 2x into 3, how much you will get? 2x into 3? 6x. Yes, give me x, 6x. Now next one, my plus, plus. 5 multiply 4. Now again the turn is of 5. We have to multiply 5 with 4x and 5 with 3 also. Now 5 into 4x, how much? 20x. Now next one, plus, minus, minus sign. Now 5 multiply 3, 15. Now 8x square minus 6x plus 20x minus 15. Now the same variable, you have to take the same variable one. 8x square is only 1, so there is no here. Now here take 6x and 20x is here. So plus, minus, minus. So if we minus these both, 20x and 6x, how much we will get? 14x. So for now 8x square will remain same. 8, give me x square. Put the sheets for a square. Now next one is minus, plus, minus. Give me how much? How much we will get? How much we will get?
14.
Yes, we will get 14. What will be the sign? Plus or minus?
Plus.
Because the bigger the number, we have to put the sign same. The next one, minus 15 will remain same. Minus, sorry, this is 14x, 6x plus minus 6x plus 20x, you will get plus 14x. Now next one, minus 15x will remain same. Only minus 15. Okay, now this is your solution. This is how you are going to solve the binomials. Okay. As we have done earlier with the numbers, with these variables, numbers and all, now let's start the same part in next method, that is with the sheet method. Okay. Now here what we have to do is we have to multiply this binomial. So first the rules is what? We have to multiply 2x with 4x, again 2x with 3, and 20x. Put the mage. Yes, put the mage. 10 mage. Count, louder. Count it louder.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
5, 4, 20. What about
20x.
this? 20x. Sex sign. Now next.
5, 15.
What about the sign? Read the sign first.
First,
Run. You fight. Two,
3,
4, 5.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 15.
15.
Okay, read this line. 8x squared minus 6x plus 20x minus 15. Okay. Okay. Last time we have done this fraction chapter. So what I want to do is just a recapitulation part. And here what I've written is fraction. And this fraction, what is fraction means? What is
Part of
fraction?
whole.
Yes, you all know that fraction is a what?
Part of the whole.
And this fractions is written in a form of what?
Numerator and denominator.
Okay, let's show you one example. That is, I have got a scissor. See, I have got, this is a circle exactly. This one is circle, but you all have to assume these as a chapati. Do you understand what is chapati?
Yes.
It's chapati roti. So what I want to do is, this is just an example. Let's cut this chapati. I'll give this to Monkey. Please cut this chapati into 2 equal parts. You have to distribute this chapati with 2 of your friends. Okay. Now you have got this chapati into 2 equal parts. And how you will read this one?
1 by 2.
This is written as 1 by 2, and you will call this as a half. This is whole and this one is half. Okay. And what do you call this? Fraction is what? Part of whole. From this whole chapati, if I take this and give it to Onki, this is what? What fraction is this? Half. 1 by 2. This is written as 1 by 2. Now I'll show you this one. What I have printed this one. This is fractions folding. This one is fractions folding. Here, what you can learn is, if I got a whole chapati, you have to write 1. This is 1 chapati, right? And if this chapati need to distribute in a 2 friend, how much they will
1
get?
by 2.
1 by 2, 1 by 2. And then what if this chapati needs to be distributed in a 3 friend?
1 by 3.
1 by 3,
1 by 3.
Okay, give me next 4. If 4 friends need to distribute this roti in equal parts.
1 by 4, 1 by 4, 1 by 4.
Next, 5 friends.
1 by 5, 1 by 5.